Hello, today I will introduce you to the best landing pages. After testing a huge number of plugins from this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I make over $25,000 a month from this program and have been using it for a long time. If you want to attract more leads or sell more products online, you may have come across this plugin before. In this short video, I'm going to give you 7 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best landing pages category. This is about Leadpages. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello everyone! Today I'm going to tell you about landing pages and my experience with one of the very best services of its kind. Many people do not yet understand how important they really are. Now my guess is that building a single landing page should take your developer several hours of heavy coding and testing. 2 or 3 days should take a day or so and you're done. But here's the kicker. While 3 landing pages may seem standard at first, they will prove to be grossly inadequate in the long run. This is the point where you probably feel like you're just giving up the job, flipping the sleeves, and running the whole darning yourself. But you're already too busy with business to get busy with the back end of your site. 1 landing page is already a huge task. Now imagine how much effort it will take you to fit a fully optimized 15. Well, that's why they came up with tools like Leadpages to simplify the whole procedure, especially for users who do not have coding skills. In this Leadpages review, you will learn all about its features and related features, as well as pricing and usage strategies. Chances are you may have encountered this without realizing it. As you surf the web, bump into landing pages with one of these animated pop-ups convincingly prompting you to enter your email address. Leadpages is a leading tool built to provide the right features to accelerate mobile and web conversions through a wide range of specialty product offers. Just think of it as a landing page builder, one that is increasingly making a visible impression in the industry leading generations. Since 2012, the Minnesota-based company has managed to transfer $38 million in capital to more than 44,000 users. This has resulted in the generating more than 40 million over the years, and the numbers are still growing. Good for them, but to be honest, this user base still has nothing to do with evaluating its effectiveness in building and optimizing lead pages. Landing page templates. This is the first thing you'll probably notice on Leadpages. It offers templates for landing pages and is definitely not shy about the range of it, as it provides more than 500 different ones. I'm not just talking about different colors and themes. The service has also expanded its template offerings to suit all possible lead generation situations. You can find templates for checkout pages, 404 pages, launch pages, upsell pages, thank you pages, and web pages. But that's not all. There are additional ones for specialized pages such as FB landing pages, About Me pages, contest pages, and podcasts. The best thing here is that they are all professionally designed with beautiful themes. And you know what? Yes, you can get templates for free. Drag and drop landing page editor. Leadpages seems to recognize that the most effective lead generation campaigns are always right for their target audience. As a result, customization starts at the very top right corner of the template. You can easily edit the selected template for further personalization. Some of the elements you can customize including titles, images, color, etc. There are now 2 ways to do this. You can use the drag and drop editor that was introduced in March 2016. Or navigate to what was their primary editing tool through the standard editor. Drag and drop editor tries to make the whole editing process more flexible, much easier and more intuitive, and it works very well to say the least. Pretty much like the standard drag and drop features of the web composer we're already used to. Standard landing page editor. This is what you use instead if you need higher precision. In fact, Leadpages users are predominantly using the standard editor route over the previous option. It makes sense to think about it, because in addition to the benefits of precision, this editor is also compatible with most of the templates available. Leadpages. Pricing. Leadpages is essentially available in 3 basic pricing plans. While the cheapest appears to be optimized for small businesses, the next one is ideal for mid-sized businesses, while the most expensive plan was designed for users with large needs such as large enterprises. Admittedly, the entire strategy may seem simple at first, but things get more complicated when we get in the real details. Fortunately, however, you can get a real feel for all of these features through a 14-day free trial. Ultimately, you can choose from the following packages: $28 per month standard billed annually, Facebook community access, email support, $Q coaching challenges, mobile landing pages, unlimited traffic, unlimited lead boxes, Facebook custom tabs, plugins for WordPress, 40 plus tools for software platforms, drag and drop templates 160 plus, Pro for $59 a month, billed annually. All the features of the standard plan: A/B split testing, one-phase registration link, lead digits, access to the affiliate program, discounts for partner companies, chat pages. Promoted at $249 per month, billed annually. All Pro plan features: phone support, advanced integration options, annual conference discounts, free virtual seminars, fast start, more lead digit advertising campaigns, 5 free.